Hey everyone, my name is Angel. Thank you for tuning to the quick video. Now this video, I gotta slow down. This video is to show you what could happen if you go to the wrong hairstylist. A couple days ago, me and my wife went to a hairstylist where she asked for this. But in turn, she got this. Terrible, isn't it? Well, some might find it okay, but my wife hated it. Hairs were all over the colors were all over the place, tones were not right, and it's not what she asked for, not even close. So at that point, she got depressed for about 2 days, which is terrible. Now she got a reference from Placentia Buzz. She was going through it and she saw that a lot of them were actually looking at Carla Flores's work, and we decided to contact Carla gave us a call back, said, hey, I got a spot opening today, and we said we'll take it. We went down there. My wife was very nervous. She wasn't sure what to think of it, but Carla told her there's three ways we can fix this, but it's fixable. At that time my wife was a little bit more relieved, a little bit more happy. I left it there, came home. 3 hours later, got a call back, say, hey, I'm ready. Came back, and I came back to this.
Nigga, nah, I ain't sorry. 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 Swearing you I'm sorry.
So there you go. I hope this video was educational to you to find the right stylist and look at their work prior to, not just jumping into it, because that's what we had done. I mean, it's a foolish action, but now we learn from it. And once again, I'm gonna go ahead and put her Instagram right here, and this is her. Thank you, Carla Flores, for fixing my wife's hair and saving the day. But thank you for looking at the video. I'll put in her link on the description, and you can see her work. Thank you.
'Cause I already got it.